Hello friends, myself Vipul Patel and welcome to my channel Smart Learning. Today our topic is brushless DC motor drive. The self-controlled variable frequency drive employing a sinusoidal PMEC, that is permanent magnet alternating current motor, is called brushless DC motor drive. The brushless DC motor drive has some advantages, like practically they require no maintenance and have a long life. They also have low frequency, low inertia and friction, and low radio frequency interference and noise. The only disadvantages of the drive is that they have high cost and low starting torque. The brushless DC motor drive is used in record players, the tape drive for recorders, spindle drive in hard disk for computer, and low power drive in computer peripherals, instruments, and control systems. They also have application in aerospace, in biomedical, and in driving, cooling fans, etc. The cross section of three-phase two-pole trapezoidal PMAC motor is shown in next slide. This drive has a permanent magnet rotor with wide pole arc. The stator of the drive has three-pole winding which is displaced by 120 degree, and each phase winding spans 60 degree on each side. The cross-section of three-phase two-pole trapezoidal PMAC motor is shown in figure. This drive has permanent magnet rotor with wide pole arc. The stator of the drive has three-pole windings which is displaced by 120 degree, and each phase winding spans 60 degree on each side. The voltage induced in three-phase are shown in figure right side. The reason for getting the trapezoidal waveform is that when the rotor revolving in a counterclockwise direction, then up to 120 degree rotation from the position of all the top conductors of phase A will linking the south pole, and all the bottom of phase A will linking the north pole. The voltage induces in phase A will be same during 120 degree rotation, and beyond 120 degree some conductors in the top link north pole and other the south pole. Similarly, the voltage induced in bottom conductors. The wave voltage induces in phase A linearly reverse in next 60 degree rotation. Similarly, the voltage induces in the phase B and C. The brushless DC motor drive uses voltage source inverter and trapezoidal PAMC motor shown in figure. The stator windings are star connected. The phase voltage waveform for trapezoidal PMAC motor is shown in figure. The stator winding is fed with a current pulse, and each of the pulses had duration 120 degree and located in the region where induced voltage is constant and maximum. The polarity of the current pulse is same as that of the induced voltage. The air gap flux is constant and the voltage induced is proportional to the speed of the motor, that is E equal to Ke omega m. During each 60 degree internal, the current enters one phase and come out of another phase. Therefore, power supplied to the motor in each such interval is expressed as P equal to E ID plus minus E into minus ID, that is finally equal to 2 Ke omega m ID. The torque developed by the motor is equal to T equal to finally Kt into It. The waveform of the torque is given by the figure as shown in figure in next slide. The torque is proportional to the current flows in the DC power link. The regenerative braking of the drive is obtained by reversing the phase current, and hence the current source ID will also reverse. The power flows from machine to inverter machine to inverter and from the inverter to DC source. In the figure, you can see the induced torque waveform. When the drive speed reversed, the polarity of induced voltage reversed and the drive gives regenerative braking operation, and when the current direction is reversed, the motoring operation is obtained. The current waveform are shown in figure. The brushless DC motor drive is mainly classified into two types: the low-cost brushless DC motor drive and single-phase brushless DC motor drive. The types are explained below in detail. First, low-cost brushless DC motor drive. This drive has only 3 transistor and 3 diode converter which can supply only positive current or voltage to 3-phase motor. The induced voltage and current supplied to the motor for motoring and braking operation. When 120-degree positive current pulses are supplied to the motor, then the motoring action is obtained in a counterclockwise direction. When these pulses are shifted to 180 degree, then braking action is obtained. In the figure, you can see the low-cost 3-phase brushless DC motor drive. From the figure, the current of the phase A is controlled by the thyristor TR1 and the diode D1. When TR1 is on source VD is connected across winding A and rate of change of IA is positive. When TR1 is turned off, current IA freewheels through diode D1 and rate of change of IA is negative. Thus, during the period from 0 to 120 degree, TR1 can be alternately turned on and off, so that current IA is made to follow a rectangular reference current IA within a hysteresis band. Now, single-phase brushless DC motor drive. In the diagram, you can see this drive. Let us consider the motor is supplied from the half-bridge single-phase converter with a rectangular current waveform as shown in figure. The torque produced by the motor has large ripple. When the motor is running at large speed, the torque rippled will be filtered out by the inertia of motor load system, which is giving a uniform speed. Thank you for watching the video.